Hospital-acquired pressure injuries result from the cumulative effect of exposure to prolonged pressure and can occur across the acute care continuum. During the course of care, a patient may spend hours on a stretcher in the emergency department, then on the operating room table or interventional radiology table. These settings are places where many hospital-acquired pressure injuries begin and are frequently not observed until the patient reaches the intensive care unit. In surgical procedures lasting longer than 3 hours, tissue perfusion can be compromised. The inevitable prolonged contact of the body with the OR table creates unrelieved pressure points that are the primary cause of pressure injuries. Our team of healthcare research professionals have developed an innovative solution for pressure injury prevention. Multiple rows of geometric nodes within the surface operate by inflating and deflating dynamically in alternating sequence every 5 minutes to provide tissue offloading, thereby relieving pressure points on compromised patients. Due to its offloading capability, the Dabir surface can help maintain tissue viability when patient repositioning is not an option. Patient stability is maintained throughout the procedure with the low-profile design of the surface that is less than 1 inch in height when fully inflated. This alternating pressure technology has been used successfully in thousands of surgical procedures. Dabir surfaces represent a revolution in healthcare technology from a company committed to improving patient outcomes.